Today we are gonna present easier onboarding with EasyGroups. It's a small cloud application for Jira. Often new ideas spring out of problems that you yourself have to solve. As an example, our SSO products got created by our developers when they got tired of actually logging into Jira, Confluence, etc. Many years ago. So when the marketplace came out, they put these applications on the marketplace, and it was a great success. As you maybe know, our SSO applications are purely on server and data center. And when we wanted to make a transition over to the cloud market, we asked ourselves basically the same question: what kind of issue and problem do we have now? And can it be a stepping stone into the cloud market? A problem we often faced was the hassle of assigning new agents into respectable groups within an organization. And this also echoed the problem that many of our clients also faced. They said that user management within cloud was often clunky, inefficient, and often time-consuming. With this problem as a foundation, we came up with the idea of EasyGroups, an application that helps admin with the user management and assigning the correct people for the correct groups. The first line of code was written in February of 2023 during 2 events in Berlin. You had Unleash on the left side and App Week on the right. So I was upstairs with lots of windows and fresh air, while Elias was downstairs in the deep, dark basement of App Week. So you can take us through the first steps.
Yeah, so as a developer, I actually thought it was great to be downstairs. Not too much sunlight to disturb the coding with the dark mode, and also we don't have to have business people like Simen here to disturb us. So then I actually got really productive, and yeah, as Kantega is always a data center and server product. I've been working on that platform for years as a developer, but the App Week, which is a meeting point between Atlassian vendors and Atlassian themselves, was an opportunity for me to also learn how the cloud platform works. And that then turned into this app. So actually, here we can see the screen of the app. So actually, in addition to being a developer, I'm also an admin in our team and also do support. And so I'm a support agent as well. And it's my responsibility to onboard new people to the team. And every time I do that, it's such a hassle because in the built-in cloud UI, there's so many groups and group memberships, and I always get it wrong and I forget something. And then someone comes disturbing me, which I don't want. And then they can't do their work properly, and that's bad business. So using this app, like you can see on the screen behind me, you have role templates that reflect the roles you have in your organization. In our case, it's support agent, developer, project owner, and an admin. And you see that there's a number of different groups to give access to various products in the Atlassian cloud platform. So you can configure these templates, and then you search for the user you need to onboard as an administrator. In this case, we have 2 people who are onboarded as developers and support agents, which is the case in our small team. And then you just click one button. Here we have another person onboarded as a project owner. And then the person who is onboarded gets access to all the different Atlassian Cloud products, which are assigned by a group membership. And this just saves loads of time. It doesn't take too much time to begin with, but it's just such a pain in the butt. And now we remove the pain in the butt. So here's the front page of the app. The guy who wrote this great review is one of our pilot customers. We did a user test with him before launching, and we gave him a task that took him about 10 minutes to perform using the built-in user management. And with EasyGroups, it took less than a minute. So that's just one task disturbing your flow. That's now almost completely removed by using bulk assignment under the hood in EasyGroups. So this is a really small app still, and we want to improve it. We want to add new features. But to do that, we want feedback. So here's our feedback component, where you can just easily add your opinion about the app when you're using it. We would like to know what you guys need so we can build a good app instead of building what we guess is the right thing. So yeah, this is the beginning of our cloud journey. This app is now available. You can get it at a great discount, and it's also been cloud fortified and does have security testing already. And still, we haven't forgotten data center. We're still committed to improve our apps on data center as well. But we also now do some user management stuff in the cloud. Thank you.
That was it.